All right, our objective is I can organize a paragraph to respond to a prompt. Today I'm going to be reading a story to you called Owen, and you are going to get a prompt or a question to be responding to in writing. We're going to plan together and we're going to write some of it together, and then you're going to submit it to me on Class Dojo. Our goal is to get more points on our writing rubric through organization. We're going to be reflective. Reflective means we find ways to be better. We all have set a writing goal to make sure that we are using our topic, first, next, last, and our closing sentence to organize our thoughts. And we are using our self-management skills to not only make sure we are organized, but that our writing is communicated in an organized way and that it makes sense. Our central idea, the way that people work together, the way that people work together impacts their community. We are continually learning about how everyone works together to impact the people around them and to help them, our community helpers. But we also will learn that not just people need to work together, but our structures. So our paragraph, our topic, first, next, last, and closing, all works together to organize a complete idea to your reader. So that's kind of like a small community, and all the parts work together to help your paragraph make sense. Our lines of inquiry, we're learning about how different parts work together and how these communities are unique. Today we're going to write a first grade paragraph, and let's remember how we form a complete paragraph. Form, what's it like? We have a topic sentence, what it's mostly about, our first big idea, next big idea, last big idea, and a closing sentence. Our writing prompt today, our question, is after listening to the story Owen, write a paragraph telling 3 things that happened. So we're going to read the story Owen. We've read it before and loved it, but today our job is to write a paragraph telling 3 things that happened. And we want to be sure to make sure all those events are in order. So before we get started, we want to make sure that we are taking notes as we read. So let's get out our journals and make sure that we are taking notes as we're reading the story today. So get out your journals and let's start preparing for our notes. Click on the blue arrow for our next video.